Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele playlongs of 1,000 Years that are located on the Uke Playlongs channel on YouTube. I've been remaking old videos, creating baritone versions of those songs, and also publishing the chord charts on my webpage, which is the words and chords that are used for people that have requested that information. It's a long-term project, and I'm slowly getting through all of the songs. What we're going to do in this video is talk about the chords you need for GCA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then we'll talk about the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then finally, I'll talk about strumming. The number one question on the Uke Playlong channel is always, what's the strumming? The quick answer is there's not one answer. However, if you don't have an answer yourself, that's what part of this video is for. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. You'll need the C chord. You'll need the A minor chord. You'll need the F chord. You'll need the G chord. And you'll need the D minor chord, which is an F chord with an extra finger. And those are the chords you need to play 1,000 Years as recorded by Christina Perri on GCA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone. On baritone, you'll need the C chord, the A minor chord, which is the C chord with an extra finger down, the F chord. That's a bar chord. Let's talk through it really quick. First of all, that's a hard chord for you, which it is. It's a chord that causes guitar players to stop playing. And since baritone shares the same tuning as the top four strings of a guitar, it goes to make sense that some baritone players stop playing because of the F chord. The first thing to do is to check your action to make sure that the strings aren't too high off of the frets. There are plenty of videos out there on YouTube showing you how to do it. And if you don't want to do it, go to a luthier, have it checked, because it makes a big difference. Now, the other part is not pinching, but pulling. So if I'm going to pull my hand like this, I'm going to hold my ukulele securely and pull against the fretboard. I take my first finger, cover strings 1 and 2 right above the metal first fret, pull against the fretboard, add my thumb for some support, and then add 2 fingers. If I'm pulling, that's so much easier. In fact, I don't even need to use my thumb to make the F chord. My thumb is actually free behind here, if you can see it. Now, it helps me to use the thumb, but I'm pulling, not pinching. That's huge. Then you'll need a G chord and then a D minor chord. And those are the chords that you need to play 1,000 Years by Christina Perri on baritone DGBE ukulele. As we begin to talk about strumming, first of all, there's no right answer here. So there was no ukulele in the original, so everything you're doing here is a cover. There are 3 rules with strumming. The first is play the right chord at the right time. The second is keep a steady beat. And third is make sure that whatever you're playing actually fits the style of the music. You don't want to strum something that sounds really awkward with the music. So if you're following those rules, you're right. And if you don't like the suggestions in this video, that's okay. Do something else. It's okay as long as you follow those 3 rules. What I'm going to do is give you 2 suggestions of what I'm hearing through the song, and you can decide whether or not you want to use it. So the first thing that I'm hearing is just strums on every 3 beats, because we're in 6/8 time, so it's beat 1 and beat 4. So I'm hearing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gets you through the intro and any other place you're going down to single strums or strumming on every 3 beats, again in 6/8 time. I will mention that I'm not using my thumb for those. I feel like the thumb is too strong in this case, so I'm pointing at me and pointing at the floor. I'm using my pointer finger where the body meets the neck. Now, let's go into the part where the actual strumming occurs, although you could use picking. If you want to pick it, that's fine, go for it. You could find a picking pattern that you like. But I'm hearing this here. I'm hearing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's all down, down, up, down with ultimately a stress with the note without the other strums on happening on beat 1 and beat 4 again, stressing 1 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and like that for pretty much the rest of the song works really, really well. So if you have those chords and those couple strumming patterns, that's all you need to do to be successful on 1,000 Years as recorded by Christina Perri, although this version has been raised a whole step to work better on ukuleles in general. Thanks so much for joining me for the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.